let us say that we have a file which is on any remote server. So by using Yujaa, we can directly connect to that file and create visualizations on top of that. So here in the choose your data section, we have the FTP server connector. So first off, I'm going to give this connection a name. Let's say FTP connection. Now all I need to do is input the credentials such as the host address, port number, username and password and so on of the FTP server instance with which I wish to connect. Finally, I'm going to select the SFTP server and click on next. So now once we are connected to that server instance, we can see all the files which are there on the data path which we had set. So I'm going to select this particular file, click on preview, and then I'm going to click on finish. So here we have the FTP connection data source which we had just created. Over here I can go ahead and modify the properties. For example, if I wish to just, let's say I want to shift candidate ID from measures to dimension, I can do that. And then I'm going to click on update. And this is done. So now I can go ahead and create a new report based on this. And now we are redirected to the console where on the left hand side we can see all the fields which have been pulled in. So let's try to get something meaningful out of this. So let's say I want to know the location of the people who had come. So I'm going to select location and let's see the number of candidates. So we can make out that the maximum number of candidates were from Bangalore. I'm going to select a pie to show this particular view. Now I can just change its size. So this is how this looks like. I can save this story, add another chart and so on.